Hey fam, picture this, a beautiful overcast day, the sky painted with soft clouds, and the fresh air brushing against your skin. Today we're going to loosen up those stiff shoulders and open up your spine, breathing in that crisp air as we move. It's just 5 minutes, but it will leave you feeling lighter and more relaxed. Ready to flow with the breeze? Let's hit the mat. Start on all fours, your hands rooted firmly into the ground beneath you. Inhale deeply as you arch your back, lifting your chest and tailbone toward the sky, like you're greeting the clouds above you. This is cow pose. Then exhale as you round your spine, tucking your chin to your chest like a soft curl, cat pose. Move between cat-cow for 1 minute, feeling the gentle rhythm of the breath guiding you. Inhale, let your heart open to the sky. Exhale, let your spine roll like the wind rolling through the air. With each cycle, you're bringing fresh mobility to your spine and releasing the tension that weighs down your shoulders. From a kneeling position, step your right foot out, raise your right arm overhead, and let it reach for the sky above. Now swing your right arm in circles from your thigh and reaching for the sky. Feel that stretch in your side body. Now continue this flow, breathing deeply. With each inhale, lengthen through your body as though you're reaching to touch the clouds. With each exhale, let your body sink a little deeper into the stretch, opening your chest and shoulders as the fresh air fills your lungs. It's as if you're stretching with the breeze, letting it carry away the tightness in your body. Switch sides now. Step your left foot out, resting your left forearm on your thigh. Inhale deeply, reach your left arm to the sky from your thigh. As you reach toward the sky on your left side, hold for 1 minute, feeling the stretch flow from your hip to your fingertips. With each inhale, imagine your spine growing taller, your chest expanding wider, and with each exhale, feel the tension in your back and shoulders melt away, as if the wind is sweeping it all behind you. The overcast sky seems to breathe with you as you stretch and open. Now find a seated position with your legs extended straight in front of you. Inhale as you reach your arms high and exhale as you fold forward, reaching toward your toes. If you can't touch them, that's okay. Just go as far as you comfortably can, letting your body ease into it. Hold for 1 minute, feeling the stretch move through your hamstrings and lower back. Each inhale gives you space. Each exhale lets you sink a little deeper. The air around you is cool, refreshing, helping to release the tension along your spine and shoulders, grounding you into the moment. Come back to all fours. This time, slide your right arm underneath your left and thread the needle, lowering your right shoulder and ear to the mat. The earth beneath you feels solid, supporting you as your body twists gently. Hold for 1 minute, letting your breath guide you deeper into the stretch. With each inhale, feel the space between your shoulder blades expand. With each exhale, let the tension melt away like mist lifting off the grass. This is your moment to release, to soften, as the fresh air flows through you. Now switch sides. Slide your left arm underneath your right, lowering your shoulder and ear to the mat, allowing your body to twist and stretch. The overcast sky above feels like a calm canopy, sheltering you as you move. Breathe deeply for 1 minute. With each breath, feel the gentle twist opening up your upper back and shoulders. It's as if the weight of the world is being lifted off your shoulders, leaving you light and free, perfectly in sync with the peace of this overcast day. Awesome work, fam. In just 5 minutes, you've opened up your spine and released all that tension from your shoulders. Doesn't it feel great to breathe in that fresh air and move with ease? If you're feeling good, keep the flow going. Check out another stretching video, dive into a home workout, or wind down with a calming meditation. Keep moving, stay flexible, and I'll see you in the video you pick. Let's go!